Quoting from medical news today, according to the United States Red Cross, the amount of blood a person will give during blood donation as much as 1 liter. It's about 10% of the amount of blood in the body that's lost. Someone may feel dizzy after donating blood. Therefore, the donation center asks the donor to rest for 10 until 15 minutes and drink before leaving. Hi kids! Blood is very important part of the body. One of the functions of the blood is to lifting food ingredients and oxygen substance. Not only that, blood is also the most donated part of the human body. Even so, the blood stock in the body can still be fulfilled. Then, how much blood in the human body? Come on, let's find out. Before we continue, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button, okay? Amount of blood in the human body. Based on life science, the average adult has about 4.5 until 5.5 liters of blood circulating in the body. The weight of human without blood will be reduced by 8 until 10%. For example, a person who has weight 54 kilograms, 4.4 until 5.5 kilograms their body contains with blood. When they are 5 or 6 years old, they have almost the same amount of blood as adults. Because children have smaller bodies, their bones, muscles, and organs are not very heavy yet. Their blood makes a percentage greater than body weight. Newborn with weight between 2.3 to 3.6 kilograms have only about 1 cup or 0.2 liters of blood in their body. In adults, blood contains about 3 liters of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. As for vitamins, electrolytes, and other nutrients, it dissolves in the blood and carried to the cells and organs of the body. Tolerable amount of lost blood. Quoting from medical news today, according to the United States Red Cross, the amount of blood a person will give during blood donation as much as 1 liter. It's about 10% of the amount of blood in the body that's lost. Someone may feel dizzy after donating blood. Therefore, the donation center asks the donor to rest for 10 until 15 minutes and drink before leaving. Blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days. Meanwhile, the body is constantly making new red blood cells in the bone marrow. But it still takes time to regenerate these cells. Therefore, a person cannot donate blood every day. If a person have a disease or accident, they may lose more blood. It can cause shocks and can be dangerous. How blood works? Based on the hemophilia of Georgia, human blood has two main parts, blood cells and plasma. Plasma is a liquid part of the blood. This plasma contains proteins, fats, salts, and other substances. Meanwhile, blood cells consist of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells carry oxygen to all parts of the body. White blood cells help fight infection. Platelets are small cells that have a big task in stopping bleeding. The human body makes platelets inside the bone marrow. The platelets have a shape like a small dish, so it can be seen only with a microscope. The platelets are less than half the size of red blood cells. One drop of blood contains tens of thousands of platelets. About 70% of our body's platelets float in our bloodstream. The other 30% is stored in organs behind the stomach called the spleen. Each platelet moves in the bloodstream for 7 until 10 days. Then, if not used to make a blood clot, the cells in the spleen and liver will destroy it. Every day, 200 billion new platelets enter the bloodstream to replace or destroy platelets. Blood flows inside the body through blood vessels, including veins, arteries, and capillaries. We can think of blood vessels as pipes and tubes that carry blood to all parts of the body. When one of these pipes is damaged, blood can be spilled. Sometimes this could happen when our skin is cut or scratched. Sometimes occurs right on the bottom of the skin, so it causes bruising. Well, that's the amount of blood in the body. The amount of blood that the body can be tolerate and also the way blood works. Did you understand?
Sampai di sini dulu ya videonya. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, dan share ke teman-teman lainnya ya kids. Bye-bye!